Guys, welcome to IT networking. How to install KB5011813. This is launch new update. So 26 update, 26 bugs clear in this update. So you can install. So today I show you how to install this file. So actually I give you download link in description, so you can click to copy and uh, just 21s2, so 64-bit. So this one you can download. Click to download and then showing some link, and now this is downloading. So now this is installed and click to open. Now this is installing. Then click to yes. Click to yes. Now copy packets, Windows update.